Hi, welcome to Palai Planet. So here again we have got a question that says cos 40 degree plus x is equal to sine 30 degree, and we need to find the value of x in this case. Now this question is a very simple question and it's a very small question and easy question, but it's a very highly tricky question. And in these questions what we do is we use one of the tricks of trigonometry, and which I had explained in one of my questions, one of my videos here earlier also, but I'll just put it once more. So suppose, just imagine we have got a triangle and it's a right angle triangle, and you know it's like this. Now suppose this is theta and this is named as B and C. Now, this being theta, we know the angle A will be equal to 180 degree minus angle B, which is 90 degree, minus angle C, which is theta. And if we simplify, then this becomes 90 degree minus theta. So that means this angle is basically 90 degree minus theta, right? Now, this is a very important thing here, and if we see that clearly, then we'll understand that from here, sine theta is equal to opposite being AB and hypotenuse being AC. At the similar point of time, if we try and find out cos 90 degree minus theta, then we will see it will be like adjacent over hypotenuse. So in this case, the adjacent would be AB and the hypotenuse would be AC. Now, if we observe these two, then we'll find out that from here we can understand, since these two things are equal, the right hand sides of these two expressions are equal, we can clearly say that that sine theta is always equal to cos 90 degree minus theta, correct? Similarly, we can also say that cos theta is sine 90 degree minus theta, because if we find out cos theta from here, so cos theta from here will be BC over AC. Similarly, sine 90 minus theta will also be equals to BC over AC. Now this is what we are going to use here. We are going to use, here we have cos 40 degree plus x, we have sine 30 degree also. So we'll apply these tricks on sine 30 degree, right? And we will then find out the value of x from here. Now how we are going to do is, let's take the expression which we have, and the expression says that cos 40 degree plus x is equal to sine 30 degree, and we can simply convert this into cos 90 minus theta, that means 90 minus 30 degree, and we can also write cos 40 degree plus x is equal to cos 60 degrees. Now here we can simply apply the um, the trick from trigonometry, that if cos is so much is equal to another cos so much, then that means it's quite evident and very clear that this is equal to this, right? The value of the angle is equal to the value of the angle on the right side. So now we can simply say that 40 degree plus x is equal to 60 degree, right? So from here we can say that x is equal to 60 degree minus 40 degree, and that is equal to 20 degree. So finally, this is how we have got the answer of the question which is there. So always remember, whenever you have this kind of situation, please use this whole relationship, and you will be able to find the answer very, very easily, right? So keep watching these videos. I hope you are enjoying them. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.